There is a feeling many people recognize. The future seems full of bright ideas, ready solutions, clear promises. And yet, when we look around, everything moves more slowly than we expected. It is not an obvious block. It feels more like a quiet resistance, as if something is holding the flow back without being seen. For years, we believed progress depended mostly on ideas, on technology, on innovation. Today, the central point is different, and it matters to say it clearly. In the current world, one of the main limits to progress is not ideas. It is the infrastructure meant to support them. Take electricity. Demand is growing everywhere, in homes, in data centers that power artificial intelligence, in factories, in electric vehicles. The technologies exist. Many plants are ready. Many projects, especially in renewables and data centers, have already been approved. But between energy produced and energy used, there is a crucial step: the power grid, the cables, the connections, the substations. It is like having plenty of water, but pipes that are too narrow to bring it where it is needed. Here lies a bottleneck that is often invisible. Power grids do not grow at the same speed as new technologies, not because someone is failing, but because infrastructure is slow by nature. It takes years, permits, planning, and it was designed for a more stable world with predictable consumption. This creates a second-level effect that is often misunderstood. When we see innovation concentrating in the same places, we tend to think it is a strategic choice. In reality, very often, it is also a technical necessity combined with other factors. Progress tends to go where the wires already exist, not so much where ideas are better, but where infrastructure can carry the load. This changes how we read what is happening. A delayed project is not necessarily a failure. It may simply be waiting for a connection. For families and businesses, this means change will not arrive as a sudden wave. It will arrive in steps, by areas, at different times, not because technology is weak, but because the physical world moves at a different pace than the world of ideas. Understanding this reduces frustration and makes it clearer what to really look at when something seems to slow down. Progress is not stopped. It is often in line, waiting to be connected. And sometimes understanding where the wires run is the simplest and calmest way to understand where we are going.